Hello guys, I am Aditya. I want to convert these sentences into passive voice. If you want to see this video, how to convert into passive voice. First example: the mason will have built the wall. The mason will have built the wall. Object: the wall. The wall. The object. The wall is object. Right at first. The wall will have been converted into will have been. The wall will have been. Third form, built. The wall will have been built by the mason. The wall will have been built by the mason. They will have set up a stall at the fair. They will have set up a stall at the fair. A stall is the object. A stall will have. It's converted into will have been. And set, third form of set is set. Will have been set. The stall will have been set up by. They is converted into them. Because of it is written as the form of object. By them. At the fair, at the fair is remaining. So write here at the fair. At the fair. A stall will have been set up by them at the fair. Third example: the bulldozer will have demolished the shop by the end of the month. The bulldozer will have demolished the shop. The shop is the object, right? As a subject. The shop will have converted into will have been. The shop will have been demolished. Third form is demolished. Demolished by the bulldozer. By the bulldozer. By the end of the month. By the end of the month. End of the month. The shop will have been demolished by the bulldozer by the end of the month. Fourth example: the gardener will prepare the garden beds by this evening. The garden beds is the object. We have to write it as a subject. The garden beds will have it converted into, that I have said in these examples, they will have it converted into will have been. Will have been. The gardener will have the garden beds will have been prepared by the gardener by this evening. By this evening. This is completed. The fourth example is completed here. And we move to fifth example. The crow will have fed its babies somehow. The crow will have fed its babies. The crow will have fed its babies. Its babies, as written as its babies written as a subject. Its babies will have been written. Will have been fed. Fed. Third form is fed. Fed means fed. First form of fed is fly, and third form is fed. Fed. The crow will have fed its baby somehow. Its babies will have been fed by the crow. By the crow somehow. It is somehow is the other word. Here by this evening is also a other word. By the end of the month is also a other word. At the fair is also a other word. So we have to write it at the last of the answer. The children will have presented a bouquet of flowers to their teacher. A bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers will have been presented by the children to their teacher. A bouquet of flowers will have been presented by the children to their teacher. Now, seventh example. The landlord will have rented out the room by now. Rented out the room. The room will have been rented out. Rented out is a full verb. Not only rented, it is rented out is full verb. So we have to write full here. We have to write a full. Rented out. The room will have been rented out by the landlord. Eighth question. The owners will have repaired the car by tomorrow. The owners will have repaired the car by tomorrow. The owners is a subject. The car is the object. So we have to write a car as a subject. The car will, firstly object as written as a subject, then verb will have is converted into will have been. Repaired is here a third form, so we have not to change. Repaired. The car will have been repaired by the owners. By tomorrow. Now I am going to do fill in the blanks with the passive forms of the verbs in the brackets. We have to fill here in these blanks a passive form. the here in the bracket the forms are given. We have to convert these forms and write here. Instructions should dash clearly. Should, the third form we have to write should given. The instruction should given clearly. Second, nothing can ... without hard work. Nothing can achieved. Third form, achieved. Nothing can achieved without hard work. Third question, a house cannot ... in a day. The house cannot build. Third form is built. The house cannot build in a day. Elders, fourth example questions. Elders ought to respect. Third form is respected. Always we have to write here, write in passive voice as passive voice, third form. In passive voice we have to write every forms and every verbs in a third form. Respect, third form of respect is respected. Elders ought to respected. Wet shoes must ... to dry in the sun. Place, third form is placed. You have to learn the third forms of the verbs. If you want the third forms and all forms of the verbs, you can give your questions, and in the comment you can want the video on the verbs and their forms. You can write in the comment, and I will make the video in that topic. Now we have to move to sixth question. This homework should have dash submitted dash a long time ago. Submit, third form is submitted. This homework should have submitted a long time ago. Seventh question, the program could ... by an hour. Delay, third form is delayed. A program could delayed by an hour. Eighth question, the book should dash at the stretch. Read, third form of read is read. Spelling is same on the third form of the read is this. This is the spelling of the spellings of the both are same, but only the pronunciation is different. Pronunciation of these two words are different. This is read, and its third form is read. This is read. Read, third form is read. Read, third form is read. And I will write here the form of read. First, second and third form. First, second and third. Read. Now pronunciation. Now read about pronunciation. This is read. This is read. Second form is read, and third form is also read. Read, read. Read, read. If you like this video, you can share it. You can share this video in your friends, with your friends here, and talk about this with your friends. If you have not subscribe my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.